Okay, the activity we're working on is called Sort Factors of Numerical Expressions, and the code, the quick code for your 8th grade IXL is GQU. And the question says sort the expressions. It gives you a couple of numbers, and you can click on it and drag it around, and you can put it into either of these camps, okay? So it's looking at factors of 11 times 14 and factors of 10 times 3. Factors of 10 times 3 or 30, and factors of 11 times 14. So, first off, if your answer will end in a 0, it's always going to have 10 as a factor because 10 will multiply to anything that ends in a 0, right? So 10 times 3 is 30. So 10 is a factor of 30. And when you have the base factor of 11, then this is definitely going to be a factor of 11 times 14. Let's check that. All right. Let's do another level here. Let's jump up. Okay, so we're at 60. So factors of 10 times 13. Again, if 10 is one of your numbers, 10 times 13, it's going to end in a 0, so 10 will be a factor. 9, 7 times 15. 13 again goes here because 10 times 13, if the base factor has it, it's going to work out. And 7 has to go here because 7 is a base factor. Okay. Now 12, 2, and 7. Again, 7 is a factor here. So since it's a base factor, it's going to work. 2 is a base factor here, and 12 is a base factor here. Okay. So let's look at this one. Again, 6 is a factor, so it's going to match. 9 is a factor here. And 9 times 4 is 36. And since we can multiply 9 and 4 here to get 36, then this is also a base factor. Okay? So 9 times 5, it's the factors here. 8 is a base factor, and 11 is a base factor. Okay? And let's just do a couple more. 2 is a base factor here. 13 is a base factor here. And your base factors are 3 and 15. So now we're up to 90. Let's just do one more. Let's see how different they are. Okay, so 13 is a base factor over here. 14, 8, and 13 are all three base factors here. 14 is a base factor here. And since 14 times 13 are base factors over here, then this is going to be our final answer.